Guys, welcome back. Johnny here, and if this is your first time watching, I show you how to make money in the stock market. So if you like that kind of stuff, feel free to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so you don't miss anything. Alright, so I got another strong buy for you this week. It's going to be PayPal, or ticker symbol PYPL. Great company, guys. It came out around July 2015, sometime around $38. And within 3 years, it has been amazing. It's up 126%, and you could have bought in at $38, and it is now up $86 today. Amazing growth, guys. Great company, and I'm going to share with you why and show you other analyst reports that are current as to why this is a strong buy. It's a strong buy today, and honestly, it's a strong buy for the year. So in the collections, it's tagged as payments, credit cards, retail, 100 most popular in technology. As you can see, the average volume right off the bat is at 9 million, so it's huge in volume. $2 million, or I'm sorry, 2 million in average volume on Friday, and it's worth $101 billion. Now, this is a lot of money, guys, that they have and that they are working with right now. Their 52-week low, as you can see, was $54.33, and their 52-week high was at $87.55. So a slight pullback from the $87.55, but it is accurate, and you will be able to buy in now or whenever you're ready and be able to see amazing growth here on out. PE ratio 54. Now, that is extremely high to me. I like to deal with PE ratios around 10 to 30, but no more than really that. Now, I would still consider this and buy this company. Still a great company. It's just a little bit undervalued, or not undervalued, just a little less bang for your buck, basically. Looks like right now it doesn't have any dividend yield or dividend payments at the moment, but this, guys, it still has a very new company, only about 3 years old. Now, as you can see for the Q2 earnings report, they're estimated to be around probably like 53, 54, and it looks like now they are at a 57, 58 mark. 57, 58 cents is great for a small company like this. They're making plenty of money on the dollar. They're able to do it basically like a MasterCard or Visa, and be able to be the middleman on transactions. So it's really great company to get involved with. I believe they have a lot more coming soon. I have PayPal. I use it a lot to transfer money sometimes to people, family, friends, for gifts, birthdays, things like that. It's a little bit better just than going through a bank and dealing with bank fees and different things. So I'm going to bring you to the street rating. I love using the street.com. You put your email in when you put your ticker symbol in the search, and basically you get a free diagnostics of it. This one was in June 28th, so they are fairly new. I think they do them every month. Anyways, B rating on this, so it is a strong buy in my opinion. I like to do videos on ones that are in the A+A range, but I believe there's a lot of stocks out here that are a little bit undervalued or underappreciated that are great and up and coming. So that's why I believe this is a strong buy. Another reason why I like using the street is they like to do target prices. The target price right here as of July 5th, 2017 looks like it's at 108.26. Now that's amazing, guys. The price as of right now, 6/28/2018, is at 82. So by next year, they're looking at it to be about $108 per share. That's amazing growth. That's awesome. That's almost $30 per share. That's just tremendous, and it's a good company to get involved with, period. If you want to know more about that, again, you just go to thestreet.com. Now, I want to show you one more. I like using MarketWatch. They do have a little bit more in-depth technology than, say, the Street's little report does. But again, I like to use a lot of different sites. You could use whatever sites you want to use, but the main thing is just doing your research. And again, using information from 3 or 4 different sites is a great way to just be able to use Robinhood platform and sell for free, trade for free, get knowledge and research for free without even having to worry about paying for somebody or a brokerage account to tell you basically news or what's going on. So again, not much going on with the dividend here. No dividend, ex-dividend date, nothing like that. The market cap on this is saying about 102 billion, and their average volume's at 7.78 million. Now the performance is great. 5-day performance is 3% up. 1 month is 2% up. 3 months is 16. Year to date 16, and then 1 year is 59%. So it's definitely spiked up a lot in the last year, guys. Great company to get involved with. They have a lot of new stuff coming out. If you want to look at more videos and news on that, you can go to themarketwatch.com or just simply type in PayPal stock and you'll get tons of information on that. Now, usually, again, I like to do these ratings as buys only, but this is overhold. I would recommend buying it anyways right now, even though it does say over. I still believe it's a strong buy. A couple other competitors right now is Vapor Hub International Inc. and Weed Hire International Inc. Never heard of those companies, not too sure about them. But other than that, guys, that is why I think PayPal is a strong buy at $86. You're not really breaking the bank buying a stock of PayPal. And again, it's going to double probably pretty awesome because it started at $38 and now it's at 126% growth from that. So I believe it's a strong company, has a lot of money backing it up. Again, it has $101 billion and 57 cents per share earnings. So great company to come. I believe, honestly, it'll probably start paying a dividend out pretty soon. I'll try to do more research on that and maybe do an update later on. But hopefully they will. It's still a small, brand new company. And, 3 years old ain't very long. Let's see what happens at 5 years. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. Subscribe to my channel. And remember, share this with someone you think might like this video. Alright, you guys have a great day.